So hello friends, welcome to Create with Nihal. Today we are going to discuss Indian National Congress. So let's start. Why was Indian National Congress made? After the revolt of 1857, many political organizations were made, especially in 1870s and 1880s. From these, there were some important political organizations named are Bombay Presidency Association, Madras Mahajan Sabha, Indian Association and Pune Savajanik Sabha. They started as national organization, but they were serving only local issues and became regional organization. So need one organization which can represent complete India. Three acts led to the formation of INC. Vernacular Act 1878, Arms Act 1878, Ilbert Bill 1884. In 1885, INC was made. Who was the founder of the Indian National Congress? A.O. Hume. He was a retired civil servant officer. On December 1884, A.O. Hume made a private meeting. Many people was invited. In this meeting, they discussed that let's make a nationalist organization that will name as Indian National Congress. In this, they also discussed, they said on 1885, 28 December, every educated Indian can join the meeting in Pune. But in Pune, there was a cholera outbreak, so they changed the place to Mumbai. Some rules were also made in this meeting, like every year one Congress session will happen, generally in December last 3 days. Delegates will vote to elect the president of the session, discussion on only national issues, and some resolutions were also made in each year. A resolution is a formal decision that is taken after a vote by a group. There were two parts of the Indian National Congress, the moderates and the radicals. The moderates. During the early years of the Congress, some leaders approached the British in a peaceful manner. They demanded to be a part of the administration and law-making process in the British government. These leaders were called the moderates. Dadabhai Naoroji and Gopal Krishna Gokhale were popular moderate leaders. The radicals. There was a group of leaders in the Congress that were unhappy with the British rule. They did not have the faith in the British government and were disappointed with the government's method. This group of leaders were called the radicals. They strongly believed that the British were not interested in the welfare of the Indians. Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal were radicals. The president of the first session, Pomesh Chandra Banerjee, was the president of the first session, and this year 9 resolutions were made and 3 were main. First was reduced military expenditure. Second was civil service exams should be conducted in India as well. And third was legislative council should be set up for Northwest Frontier Province, Sindh and Awadh. Quiz time! Who founded the Indian National Congress? Firoz Shah Mehta, B. A.O. Hume, C. W.C. Banerjee, D. Dadabhai Naoroji. So if your answer is B. A.O. Hume, it's correct. The first session of the Indian National Congress was held in A. Bengal, B. Delhi, C. Calcutta, D. Mumbai. So the correct answer is Mumbai. Who was the president of the first session of the Indian National Congress? A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, B. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, C. Dadabhai Naoroji, D. W.C. Banerjee. So if your answer is W.C. Banerjee, it's correct. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Thank you.